Gardening is very new to me, and I thought I'd give it a try again. So I went to the flower market, which is also where they sell plants for gardening, and I thought I'd give it a try and plant a few things. So my mom and I went over, and we got a few things. She decided she would help me with my gardening. Now, I'm at one of the independent stores, the independent garden store. And of course, I'm looking at everything else to see if I want to get flowers, but no, I don't think so. So I'm starting with, it's my my third year doing gardening. I had help the first year, and last year I tried it on my own. So this year, my mom is going to help me with the garden. So here we have, I think we are trying to get some tomatoes over here. There she is, patiently waiting because I'm doing a video and she's checking to see if anyone's watching. My mom's like that. If I'm doing videos, she gets really nervous and think maybe I shouldn't be doing a video in a place like this. But I'm just checking to see what I can get here. I have some organics. So I decided I would try organics, but I didn't get enough organics. So I'm getting some of these, and I'm trying not to put them too close to the organic. That's my plan, so I don't want to get too many plants today. Now, where is she? Mommy is patiently waiting. And so we are getting some tomatoes, but I don't want them too big. I want the smaller plants. So we're going to get some tomato plants. She's getting the plants already. So, yeah, she knows the right ones to get. For me, when it comes to buying the plants, I'm not sure which ones to take, but Mommy knows. She's very good at that. And I'm so glad she came over to help me today. So, we're looking at the prices too. Some of them are quite expensive. And these ones here, I find they're a very good price for the size of them. And we started late. And this is already, most people start the planting in May, June. And for us now, it's already mid-June. We're almost the end of June. I think these are cucumbers. Yeah, these are cucumbers. So we're gonna have, I normally plant tomatoes, cucumbers, and beans. But this year I don't think I'll do the beans because I've already bought so much organic. And I have a small backyard garden area. And I've already bought 8 organic plants, and the backyard can probably take about 12. In this place here, it's pretty big, and I usually get my plants from here, and they usually do very, very well. I don't know much about plants. These ones over here, they're the better ones. They look a lot healthier. And they're a little bigger, and the price is just right. But I realized that I do have the room for more. I should have bought more organic, but it's too far. I don't want to take the drive and go to the organic farm and get any more. And I just hope that doesn't affect my organic plants, because I know if I'm planting organic, it should just be organic. But I have the space, so I'm just going to put a little more of those plants there. So we got the cucumbers, we got the tomatoes, and we're trying to see what else we can get. I'm pretty sure I mean, I don't mind trying something new. I often stick to the same thing. And like I said, the first 2 years was really amazing. I got lots of beans, lots of green beans, lots of tomatoes, and cucumbers. I got baskets upon baskets of cucumbers. But I have this little basket um, that I usually take with me to the garden when I'm gathering the vegetables. And the basket could hold up to 12 cucumbers. And for every time I go out, get about 12, not less than 8 cucumbers every time. It was a really, really good year last year. So many cucumbers. And I think I got cucumbers about 4 times from the garden. I had so many cucumbers I had to give away. And my mom got some. She made some pickled cucumbers. It was really, really a really, really good year. So we're going to try some celery. Sometimes I tell myself I might as well go live while I'm doing these things because I enjoy going through the aisle and doing the videos and talking as I go along. But mommy's a little uncomfortable. But going to the garden center is one of the things that I'm beginning to enjoy. It's not something that, like I said, I'm not used to this, but I'm really enjoying it now. And when I go, I don't just go grab the things I want. I like to look at the other things that are there. She always tell me I should plant some flowers, but flowers is really not my thing. Even if I plant the flowers where I plant it would be at the front, and the rain doesn't come down in that area. When the rain falls, it doesn't wet the plants, so that means I'd have to go out and wet the plants every day. Whereas with the garden, we get a lot of rain. I know lately we've been getting a lot of rain in June, July, and I know that I don't have to water the plants every day. Even if I know I should, but it's not something I enjoy doing. But you know, the flowers. She's looking at flowers and kept telling me, "Get some flowers." No, not today. I said next time. But knowing her, I know she's gonna go back and get some flowers and surprise me and plant them at the front because she does that every year. Even if I say no, I don't want flowers, she plants them. But I'm usually quite happy with the flowers. And of course, I do forget to water them because they're at the front. And when it rains, I usually think, okay, it's raining, I don't have to water the plants. And I forget the flowers at the front. So, plus, so this is beautiful. I mean, the flowers are very beautiful. This is a large garden center. A lot of the garden centers are quite big, but this one in particular is walking distance from me, so I love coming to this one. And everything is they set up that garden center in the summer, so it's pretty big, very big. And I think we are done. Mommy's still looking at the flowers. Hibiscus. Oh my, I've seen the red, but this is a yellow one. Oh, beautiful. I love hibiscus. Oh. Well, we're thinking that we should have bought some of these herbs, and I don't know. I've tried the chives. They do come back every year. I tried that last year and I noticed it came back. Was it the chives? Yeah. Anyway, we've gotten what we wanted and I am ready to get out of here.